Hey there, here is a really quick demo of what can be done with the Python manager what I've recently implemented. So this is a WinCC OA manager and it runs Python code. Effectively it is really Python and being connected to WinCC OA directly with the native C++ API, so that means that it is really tightly coupled and it can almost do the same what you can do with Node.js. Not all functions are yet implemented, but the most needed one I think I have. And so yeah, I have now just implemented a simple Python script which streams video from a camera, or in that case it streams video from a YouTube video to a tag, to a data point, WinCC OA. So let's start this now. And yeah, now see it is connected like a normal WinCC OA manager. You see already the video here, and also here you see this tag is changing very frequently. Here we have the video, the binary, and additionally I can now also start YOLO person detector. Just a note, I can also press here pause. So this is because the Python program is connected to another tag, and on this tag I can write play, pause, and forward and backwards. But yeah, let's now start a YOLO person detector, and this YOLO detection can really easily be done in Python and also with AI. Now it's just a prompt more or less, again connected directly to WinCC OA, so it will write back first of all also the pictures with a bounding box, and also on a tag how many persons are detected. So in that case we have a factory and we want to detect, I need to pass another number. Two managers cannot run with the same number. So now it is running, and you see again it's just a normal WinCC OA manager, and now I press play again. And now we see here on the right side the detected persons, and also here we see how many persons are detected in the view. And we can also open a trend because we have it now directly written on a tag. This is just a very simple, quick demo. So imagine what you can all do with Python now directly, natively, as fast as possible connected to WinCC OA.